Hi guys, this is Unit 2, Lesson 15, Cool Down. Which is greater? In each pair of fractions, which fraction is greater? Explain or show your reasoning. Alright guys, so let's start with number 1. We're looking at 3/10 or 2/6. Right off the bat, I notice we have two different denominators. We have a 10 and a 6. So I'm going to have to make equivalent fractions. In order to do that, I have to find a common denominator between 10 and 6. Okay, well, I'm going to count by 6s until I get to a number that 10 goes into evenly. Let's see, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 30 ends in a 0, so I know 10 goes into it evenly. So I'm going to use 30. All right, I'm going to start with 2/6. So 6 times what number gives me 30? Oh, 5. All right, what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, let's look at 3/10. 10 times what number is 30? 10 times 3, what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I can look at these. I have 9/30 and I have 10/30. Well, 10/30 is one more 30th. So 10/30 belongs to 2/6. That is the equivalent fraction. Therefore, 2/6 is greater than 3/10. And to show my answer, I really do need to rewrite it with my alligator mouth pointing at the greater fraction. Okay. All right, let's look at number 2. 99/100 or 9/10. Again, we have two different denominators. We have 100 and we have 10. So I need to make equivalent fractions. So 99/100 and 9/10. All right, let's think. What number does both 10 and 100 go into evenly? Well, I could sit here and count by 10s until I say a number that 100 goes into, but I really hope you recognized right away that there is this extra 0 on 100, and we all should know 10 times 10 is 100. This really should be a common math fact that you know. So 100 is my denominator. So I'm going to think, okay, 10 times what number gives me 100? Well, 10 times 10. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 9 times 10 gives me 90. Okay. Now I do 99/100. 100, times 1 is 100. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 99 times 1 is 99. Okay? So now I'm looking, and 99/100 is greater than 90/100. So I need to rewrite this to show my answer. Okay, so I could say, okay, so 99 hundredths, and here's 9 tenths. Now, I could check this with some mathematical reasoning. I know 9 tenths is 1/10 away from a whole. I know 99 hundredths is 1/100th away from a whole. So because a hundredth is smaller than a tenth, I know 99 hundredths is going to be closer to 1 whole. But our strategy today, guys, was to find a common denominator. So that is what I expect you to be doing on your cool down. All right, guys.